Hello guys, welcome back. And if this is your first time, welcome. I'm going to show how I make my very yummy, easy pop-up today. And I will write down everything you need to make pop-up down at the comment section. So first we have our clean bowl. I'm going to add 2 cups of flour in there. And next I'm adding half cup of sugar. Next, half tablespoon of salt. And next I'm adding 2 teaspoons of yeast. And now I'm going to add half teaspoon of nutmeg. And now I'm going to add powdered milk. You can use pick or needle. I'm going to add 1/3 cup. And the milk is optional. If you don't want to, you can skip that part. But this is just how I make my pop-up. I like that rich taste. Now that I have added all the dry ingredients, I'm going to mix it well. Make sure everything is well combined. Now I have 1 cup of water. I'm just going to add half and mix it well gently before I add the other half. And the next step is to cover it and put it in a warm place. Let it rise for about 35 to 40 minutes. And 45 minutes later, look at that. We're gonna need water next to us just to be cleaning our hand. And before my oil get hot, I'm going to show you how to get that perfect cycle pop-up. And another way to really get a good pop-up is use something deep. So don't use frying pan, please. Use like a small pot, non-stick one. That way it's something deep and you can put actually a lot of oil, but actually you're not using as much oil as if you're going to be using frying pan. And pop-up is looking great and ready to be out of the oil. You can eat pop-up with anything, with hot chocolate, tea, or anything you want. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.